Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how you can view the list of devices from which you have logged into your Instagram account. That is, you have an Instagram account, your profile, and you can see the list of phones, computers from which you have logged into your Instagram. How do you do that? Look for this, you go to Instagram. Now here you click on your profile. Then at the top you click on the three bars. Now here we click Settings and Privacy. Now here we select Account Center. Now here we have, while it is loading, we select Password and Security. Click. Now here you have the item. Login and Recovery. It does not interest us. We need the item Security Checks. Click. Where you're logged in, select. Now here we select the account we are interested in, selected, and here we can notice from what devices we logged into this account. I have only one device here because I'm keeping an eye on it. But if you have a lot of devices, you can view them all, and if any of the devices is not yours, you just click on it and pay attention to it. But since I'm on this device and I'm logged in from it, I won't have a delete button. So if you have another device here, you click delete. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. Nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.